The top part of the tooth is almost completely gone. What we're looking at now is basically just the root.
At this stage, we're basically dealing with root structure only.
This condition is called a retained root. The top part of the tooth has broken down, and decay has spread deep inside. There are several reasons this can happen. Decay can start around the edge of a crown. Sometimes treatment is interrupted and the decay continues to spread. In other cases, strong acids weaken the tooth, making it more vulnerable to damage.
Honestly, it looks pretty serious.
Doctor, do you think this tooth can still be saved?
This is where it gets critical. We'll be using a technique called deep margin elevation.
In the past, treating a case like this often involved surgery, cutting the gum and removing bone. This is known as crown lengthening.
Another main approach was orthodontic extrusion, gradually pulling the tooth upward.
In recent years, advances in microscopes, CBCT imaging, and adhesive technology have made this treatment possible.
Without cutting the gum or removing bone, we rebuild the foundation from inside the tooth.
It's a gentler approach, shorter treatment time, and much easier on the body.
Now, it's time to rebuild.